Hello friends, hello students. In this video I will show you that how you can use upper, lower and proper, these three formulas in Microsoft Excel. These are very easy and basic formulas you can use in your text. So I will show you that how you can use, like for example, first of all we will see the upper formula or function. So it is here. Now here I will write my name I will write like Omer Bhatt, my name, and in this you can see I will show name upper name or simple name is okay. Yes. So here you can see under formulas and the text. Here you can see, as I told you, upper. So upper you can click, and now in the text field you can mention, you can write or type this cell number, like it is C10. So we will write like C10, and you can see like how it will change. It's showing here like the value of that particular cell, so that is Omer, but you can see in small letters will change into upper letters. So see, it will change like this. Even like if I write something now simple like this, and you can see if we press Ctrl plus D here, so that will duplicate like the formula, and you can see it's upper C11. So the next is like lower formula. So it's opposite, like if you have typed your name like this, and you want that cell value here with small letters, so you can go to the text formula, and here we can select lower, and we will type like C17 this time, and it will change into these small letters. Now the third formula is proper formula. So proper formula, like I will write my name in small letters, and here you can see it will show the text and proper formula. So this will for the C23, and you can see it will change like this. So first letter of each word, now you can see it's capital. So this is very easy method. As I explained, you can use these three formulas, upper, lower and proper formulas, in your sheets if you want. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. Thank you very much once again.